a 7-member panel of the Supreme Court led by Justice Lovelace Avril-Johnson has unanimously dismissed a petition filed by the broadcast journalist and lawyer Richard Della Sky challenging the constitutionality of the Human Sexual Rights and Family Values Bill. Richard Sky had sought a declaration that the bill, which has ignited intense national debate, was null and void, but the Supreme Court rejected the petition, affirming the constitutionality of the legislative process of the proposed anti-LGBTQ plus legislation.
The controversial bill aims to criminalize activities associated with lesbian, gay, bisexual, transgender, queer, and intersex advocacy. If passed into law, the bill would impose penalties on individuals promoting or funding LGBTQ-related activities, as well as those providing indirect support. Proponents argue that the bill is necessary to protect Ghanaian cultural and family values, which they claim are being undermined by foreign ideologies. Critics, including human rights groups, condemn the bill as a violation of fundamental human rights such as freedom of expression, association, and equality under the law. The legal challenge also included a separate petition filed by equality and inclusion advocate Amanda Odoi. Both Odoi and Sky contended that Parliament failed to meet the constitutional quorum requirements outlined in Article 102 and 104 during the legislative process, rendering the bill's passage unconstitutional. The Supreme Court dismissed both petitions on the grounds that the bill had not yet become law. Justice Lovelace Johnson clarified that until a bill receives presidential assent, it does not constitute an enactment subject to judicial review of its constitutionality. The decision underscored the court's position that legislative processes cannot be challenged on constitutional grounds until they result in enforceable law. Meanwhile, Justice Lovelace Avril-Johnson has indicated that reasons for the dismissal will be made available by Friday, December 20.